if you're considering front and rear storage options for your ATV, this is one of the ones we have here for our units, whether we're going out trail riding or doing some really aggressive mud riding. These boxes work really well. What we're looking at here is the Kolpin 93-101 and the 93-201 with rails on the back. Lots of storage options. Both of them are lockable. They got a really nice style on them. They have reflectors on them. Super awesome price. And as you can see, it fits very nice on this Polaris. Now it does have the brackets to go on the rail system, your tube style racks. It does have a locking feature in it, which you'll see. And then also the storage capacity is quite nice for a front box. You can store a lot of different products in here. It is all open concept, and for the price you get a dynamite product. The styling of this is very unique. It looks more aerodynamic. It fits with most of the machine's actual styling, so it doesn't look so bulky. And overall, great price. So very good box to consider when you're considering buying a front or rear